we are coming to an end now, but we have the president of the University of Vigo. Friday, almost evening, Vigo is 1 hour from here, and he came here to close the workshop. I'm really thankful. We also have a former president of the University of Vigo sitting by him. He was my PhD supervisor, one of my PhD supervisors. So he was here not as president, but as professor. But I'm very glad to have Professor Reigosa, who is also working on climate change, but from a different area, from a different discipline. He's a scientist, natural scientist, and we had many conversations over the years with you and with other people in our university who really work in this field of climate change, and therefore it's a double pleasure to have you here. So perhaps
this is my first time here, and I am here really closing the workshop. No? So perhaps I have these mixed feelings. No? I would like to begin saying 2 words that are needed: thank you and congratulations. Thank you to Xavier and to the team, because you have brought here a lot of brain, a lot of knowledge, and you have been able to put us in the map, no? Meaning that these 20 years of the Atlantic Workshop meant a lot for the people who were involved in this kind of research. And of course, I think that all you will have memories of these different sessions of the workshop. And congratulations, because I think that the workshop during 20 years has been useful for the interchange of ideas, for the collaboration, for taking different points of view in terms of the research. And of course, a very important thing, because there have been a good relationship between the people, the seniors scientists, and the younger ones. So congratulations, because all the work has been done, and it has been well done. But if I have a couple of minutes more, I would like to talk to you about my view about the future. I don't know how you see the world. No? There is a Spanish song that is very popular that says something like, the year 2000 will bring a better world. I think that it missed totally the focus. No? The world is not better now. The world is as hard, as tough, as cold as ever, or perhaps even worse. Even if we have the capacity as mankind to conquer the world, to make a world without war, I am not going to say anything about the situation of Palestine or Ukraine or Myanmar or Congo, because it is really, really tough. No? We could have equality between men and women, and we are far from that. We say here we are all men, meaning that probably we are missing a lot of the talent that is in the humankind, non-human mankind, but also considering women and men. We have the power of avoiding the hunger in the world, but we are not doing that, because we are able to do it, but we are very lazy and we don't do it. The poverty is increasing in the world in many countries, and it is not needed. We could change the world. I was expecting that the light that comes from the academia could cast upon the humankind, and perhaps we should be able to change the world, but till now we have not been able. And what about climate change? I am a plant physiologist. Many things we don't know what is going to happen. Of course, having more CO2 in the atmosphere makes that the plants will grow higher and we will have more mass. No? But Till now, we think that those plants will have less proteins and probably more sugar, and probably there will be more poisons in the plants that are growing along the way. So we don't know. Why we don't know? Because we are not investing a lot in the research. And what about the climate change in general? It has been said today, it is like seeing the iceberg and going directly through the iceberg. No one cares, apparently. We are going to the iceberg and no one is turning down or changing a lot the things. Which is the problem with academia? I think that we have a problem. We are very happy writing very good papers, very good manuscripts, publishing in very good journals, and probably those findings are, of course, make a lot of good knowledge for all the academic community. But we are not arriving, we are not making some changes in the policy makers. So I would say that even if this Atlantic workshop is going to die today, perhaps we should try to begin a new era. I have been very happy hearing all of you who are wise men and wise women. And I would point that there is a challenge that is finding other platforms. Which platforms, I don't know. But I would like, as president of the University of Vigo, to be a part of the solution. So I would like to help to find another platform in order to increase the effects of these combined brains that we have all together in one room, and that some of them are online. Maria told us that probably we should include more fields. Not only energy, but perhaps we should have also technical people and scientific people from other fields. That would be nice. And we should try to send some messages to the policymakers. Probably not papers. One paper of 25 pages full of equations probably is not a good system to move the policymakers. I don't know. I don't know if they need X, if they need Instagram, or perhaps if they need TikTok. But we should try to make some impact, first in the population and, of course, in the policy makers. It has been taught also about textbooks. Probably we should prepare some course, international course, in order to have some kind of title, international title, and it should be nice. Of course, I have heard that some textbooks have been prepared and have been published by good publishers, but of course, there are plenty of room to improve the things. So again, Xavier and all the team, thank you. Xavier and all the team, congratulations. I am very happy also to see ECOVAS logo in all this conference, because I feel that such a center of research that is devoted to economy and other fields, and in which all the three public Galician universities are involved, is a very good, probably in the future, a very good measure in order to improve the world. So thank you all, and I declare this never so. I don't want to say it. Definitely closed the conference. Thank you very much.